Frank with Stonelink Property Manager here at 75 Kaufman Road, Tiverton, Rhode Island. It's a single family, 3-bedroom, 1.5 bathroom house for rent. Starting our video tour right when you walk in. Open floor plan here on the first floor. Huge living room area. Hardwood flooring, high ceilings, new lighting. Beautiful wood burning fireplace there. Big front window facing the front of the house. Dining area right there to my left. We're gonna go here left to right as we make our way into the kitchen. You got a gorgeous kitchen island here. Granite marble countertops. That entrance there leads to outside walkway towards the driveway, as well as a finished basement, perfect for entertaining. Stainless steel refrigerator, electric stove, beautiful backsplash, lots of cabinet space here. Undermount sink, beautiful picture window, open to a 4-season room, perfect for a den area. Dishwasher, got your kitchen island here, microwave, more cabinet and countertop space. Make our way into the mini den here, facing the backyard. Big windows here for plenty of natural light, but you do have privacy back here. Half bathroom here. Make our way back up over this step. To my right, we got state-of-the-art washer dryer. To my left here, you got the smallest out of the 3 bedrooms, big enough for a queen set. To my left, you have the middle out of the 3 bedrooms. This could fit a king set. Dual closets there. Huge bathroom vanity. Double sinks. Beautiful backsplash in your shower tub. Then you get the largest of the 3 bedrooms here, facing the front of the house, big enough for a king set easily. Now we're gonna make our way, show you this finished basement quickly. Make our way downstairs. Huge open, lots of closet space, lots of storage space here. Got a little separate room as we go in here. And then on the opposite side of the wall here, opens up nicely. I'd like to apply for 75 Kaufman Road, Tiverton, Rhode Island. Click that Apply Now button at the bottom of your screen. Each adult will fill out the application. It's Frank with Stonelink Property Management. Thank you and have a great day.